Hey guys, so this is a tutorial of how to make a Tycoon game. So I already made a Tycoon game here and here, but this game is private and this one is public. So first you're gonna go to new, then you're gonna select classic blaze plate. It is gonna take few seconds to open, but if your computer is very well, then it will just open right. Make sure you have Explorer Properties toolbox. You don't need Asset Manager. Next, I'll leave a model in the description box so that you could get this model. Tycoon Game Kit by me. It will take few seconds to load. Now delete the base plate. It is actually not necessary. Now this is a Tycoon. So open the kit, you will see four things. So keep them in their places like lighting and lighting. Control plus U for ungroup. Replicated storage and replicated storage. Control plus U. Services, script services. Control plus U as well. And finally workspace. Control plus U. It isn't going on well. Oh, wait a second, I think I did something wrong. Control plus U. Yep, it worked. Now delete this, it is actually not necessary. And there you have it, your own Tycoon game. So this is short video, I know, but at least you guys know now how to make a Tycoon game. If you guys want me to test it out, I will test it out right now.
Hey!
Let me test it out. Wait a second, guys. I'm back, guys. So now let's test the game. What happened? Yeah. So yeah, this treehouse is not necessary if you got. Dude, shut up! Shut up, man! And this admin stuff thing is not necessary as well. It is your wish. If you want to keep it, you could keep it. There's an admin morph which is only for admins because they only admins get to this. You could also change this text, but if you guys don't want it, it's fine. But if you guys want me to tell you about it, here's the glimpse. But the game should be started. So yeah, this is how you could do it. Go near them. Click on the staff only door or check the staff only in the workspace. Then open script. Now you could see the usernames which are available. You could remove this and keep your friends' names and your name. And what did I say again? Next will be the ban GUI. Yes, ban GUI. Open Explorer. Here you could see ban. So this, I already kept them. You don't need to keep these. If you want, you could delete this. Open ban handler in script services. Go to the settings and you'll see usernames. Keep your friends' usernames if you want to. And here's ban message, kick message, ban data stream, ban data. Did you do something wrong? Did you do something wrong? Those are the messages which will be delivered to the person who got banned by the player or by admin. Next, what are the things? Game Pass script. There is no Game Pass, so I'll just delete it. You met the creator. You should just keep your username here. Next. Next, are there anything else? Tycoon scripts. We are not even gonna go there. This is a batch, I think. What is this? Bro, what the hell? And I haven't. I think I kept a batch one as well. I can't find it. Spawn, 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 spawn. On location. Yeah. In this script you will find this code. Change it to the batch code which you have. And yeah, this is all the tutorial you will get. I'll make more tutorials soon. This video and this channel is by me and Sudhya now. So this is a tutorial. Enjoy the tutorial and enjoy your game. Thank you for watching. Bye.